Hey guys, today we're gonna discuss trading at IQ option and figure out how to use the TradingView platform for the market analysis. Get ready to take notes because today you're gonna learn a lot of new stuff. Hey everyone, if you're a trader, then you've probably at least once thought about how you can, analyze the charts without having to spend a lot of time on it, but to at the same time have a stable and nice income. In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that implies one indicator that analyzes the market for you entirely. Moreover, this indicator's signals are as accurate as possible and their win rate is around 95%. So yeah, if you really want to make profits today and start making money off of trading, then watch this video carefully and until the very end. The link to the broker I traded is in the description. Enjoy! So let's go to the TradingView platform. Here you should either log in into your account or sign up. And in order to open the full chart, click right here. If this is your first time at this platform, you will need to add the currency pairs as they might not have been added yet. To do this, click right here on this plus icon. Here you want to select Forex and your task is to add currency pairs with the FXCM code provider. Now let's add the indicator that will help us make money today. Let's open the indicator list and add this indicator right here, this one. So basically this indicator provides signals. The signals of this indicator are based on technical analysis and candle analysis. If we say a buy signal, we place a trade upwards. If we say a sell signal, we place a trade downwards. I think it's as clear as possible. I hope everything's clear so far. Now, of course, whenever you see signals before placing a trade, you should look for secondary factors that can confirm the validity of this signal. These factors can be price levels, overall chart course, and the candles analysis. And I guess now let's move on to trading. I'm sure everything will be clear in practice. And throughout the process, I will be giving you guys some tips that will improve the win rate of your trades. Now let's look for a first situation. So I saw the new signal that appeared on the previous candle. I'm quickly switching to the broker and placing a trade. So my trade is open, 40 seconds are left until it's over. Let's take a look at some additional factors that will confirm the signal. Basically, in this situation, in this case, the confirmation is that the price is at the local resistance level. In addition to that, we can look at the fact that we had candles with large shadows at the top and small bodies right here. This all confirms the presence of a seller in this area that will push the price down. So yeah, we've got the signal and we've got some secondary factors just as well. So in the remaining 5 seconds, the price keeps fluctuating at my entry point. Nevertheless, we managed to capture a pretty decent motion and we were able to earn over $2,000 with this trade. Let's move on, guys. So I can see a new signal, which also appeared with the previous candle, placed in the trade upwards. So I'm going to use $3,000 for this trade. Now let's look at the basis for this signal. Let's see. First of all, we can see that the price is in the support area. And it's quite possible that the reason why the signal has emerged. Secondly, we can see this large momentum candle along with this engulfing pattern. The second candle, this time a green one, completely engulfs the red candle. This pattern indicates the continuation of the move. For example, the upward move in this case particularly. And secondly, we can see that the overall chart course is also upwards, and there are also levels at the top the price may be heading towards, I hope the secondary factors are clear here. And take a look at this great motion we were able to capture. We have earned another $2,490. Let's carry on. When I have an impact on my content, there are polls and questionnaires on my Telegram channel where you can pick the topics you are interested in. This is your chance to get the content you desire the most. Don't miss the opportunity, follow the link in the description. So I found a different situation on the Euro JPY pair. I can see an upward signal, go into the broker and place in the trade. So my trade is opened. If this trade closes in a profit, I will earn $2,490. Let's look at the confirming factors. So in this situation, we have a signal on this candle right here. I can see that we have certain levels. On the upside, the price may be heading towards, and I can also note that the overall chart course is upwards too. So there are three confirming factors already. And let's also take a look at the candles. They are so beautiful and full-bodied. By the way, while I was talking, my trade closed with a solid profit. I'm honestly shocked at how this simple indicator with signals has helped me make money for the third trade in a row today. Let's open another trade and I guess sum things up a little bit. So I see the appearance of a new signal for AUD USD. Let's go to the broker and open a trade. So my trade is placed. Now let's look at the confirming factors that will tell us about the validity of this signal. Let's see what we've got. So we got the signal on this candle right here. First and foremost, let's look at this one, this candle. This candle is full-bodied and impulsive. This indicates the strength of the buyers on the market who will push the price higher. Secondly, let's take a look at the overall chart course. It's heading upwards too. This is also a good confirmation of my entry point. So I literally have 10 seconds until the end of the trade and the price is moving close to my entry point. Still, I have a feeling that this trade will end up in a profit. Yeah, like I said, we're getting our profit. Honestly, I'm a bit shocked because we've made several trades according to this indicator and neither one of them has failed. Guys, that's a truly impressive result. To be honest, there are very few really good indicators to give, that give signals. Nevertheless, this indicator indeed surprised me. Of course, when you work with this indicator, you gotta look for some confirming factors that will confirm your entry points. And of course, you also have to take all the risks into account and follow your risk management. It's very important, guys. Don't forget about that. Confirming factors and risk management. And by the way, today I'm hosting a trading session on my Telegram channel where each one of you guys can copy my trades and make money with me. This way, it's just safer because the signals are delivered to you not by an indicator, but by a real person with a trading experience, with a pretty decent trading experience. Therefore, if you really want to get real profits, then go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description below this video and follow. Well, I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.